Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm going to talk to you about 3 challenges coming up that are put out each month by Dory's Dollies and I. J Dolls UK is not doing the Dolls Gone Goth any longer. Broke my heart, but she is so busy and has so much going on. So she handed the torch to Dory's Dollies, Dory at Dory's Dollies. And Dory and I had been asked by someone, actually a couple people asked me, could we do Barbie challenges? So now we're doing that each month. And we're doing an Amaya Raine, which is actually any rainbow high or shadow high doll. I'm laughing because my Siamese cat wants to come back upstairs and be in the middle of the filming. No. So grab a piece of paper and let me tell you about the upcoming challenges for December 16th, December 18th, and then January 3rd. December 16th is Dolls Gone Goth. And Dory picked out a cute theme for December 16th at 10 a.m. All of these videos will be at 10 a.m. Central Time. I just bought this girl. She's Susie Sad Eyes. Amazingly, I had seen her first time on Dory's channel. If you don't watch Dory, you're missing out on a lot of cool dolls. This is a vintage doll. I'll talk more about her later. I was happy to find her and find her with her original dress. I found her in an antique store when we went to the Christmas parade yesterday. Dolls Gone Goth. The theme that Dory has chosen is Dark Winters, and you can interpret that any way you want. Again, that one is on December 16th at 10 a.m. Central. That's Dolls Gone Goth. On the 18th is the Holiday Barbies, and that is also at 10 a.m. Central, and you can Google the time in your own area. Take a Barbie, any Barbie. You can find a Barbie. You can go to a thrift store and get them for less than $2 most of the time, although everything's gone up. Dress it and get it ready for the holidays in the same fashion that Mattel does their holiday Barbies. Or show us your beautiful holiday Barbies, not just from this year, but any year. It's just a holiday Barbie day. Again, that is December 18th at 10 a.m. Central. And then on January 3rd, we will be having the Amaya Raine Day. And that again is any rainbow high doll at all or shadow high doll. And this month or next month, January 3rd, we are doing your newest purchase. New Year, New Rainbow High is what we're calling it. And that also is at 10 a.m. Central, January 3rd, December 18th, and December 16th. Thank you, Dory. This is really fun. It's really fun to team up with you. Again, if you are not subscribed to Dory, don't miss out. She shows some fantastic dolls, and she always throws a bit of trivia in. If you listen to her, you will pick up a lot of doll knowledge. She doesn't look it up, she lived it. Dory's been collecting dolls forever. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. We sure hope you will join in on our challenges. Please leave a like, a comment, go to Dory's channel, and subscribe to both of us.